This topic is about compartmentation and how this affects on watertight integrity. What is compartmentation? It refers to the division of a ship's hull and interior spaces into separate watertight sections or compartments. These compartments are created using watertight bulkheads, decks, and partitions, which prevent water ingress from spreading throughout the ship in the event of flooding or damage. The primary goal of compartmentation is to improve the ship's survivability by limiting the extent of flooding, maintaining buoyancy, and ensuring stability. So how compartmentation works? First is watertight bulkheads. These vertical barriers that divide the hull into sections, creating watertight compartments, and extend from the keel to the main deck to ensure complete separation. Two is watertight decks, horizontal barriers that add another layer of division and help contain flooding vertically. Three, tight doors and hatches allow movement between compartments while maintaining watertightness when closed, and essential during emergencies to contain flooding. Number 4 is subdivision load line. Determines the maximum permissible draft based on the ship's ability to remain afloat with specific compartments flooded or damaged stability requirements.
These are the effects of compartmentation on watertight integrity. Containment of flooding. Compartmentation limits water ingress to a specific section of the ship, preventing the spread to other areas. These containments allow the vessel to retain buoyancy and reduce the risk of sinking. Enhance stability. By restricting water to designated compartments, compartmentation minimizes weight shifts that could reduce stability, prevents a significant rise in the center of gravity, and it helps maintain an adequate metacentric height. Improve damage tolerance. Ships with robust compartmentation can survive breaches to the hull, as flooding is confined to a limited number of compartments. This is particularly critical in collision, grounding, or battle damage in naval vessels. Compliance with damage stability standards. Compartmentation ensure compliance with international regulations such as the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea (SOLAS) and Classification Society requirements. This regulation often defines the ship's survivability with one or more compartments flooded.